Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Cupra eRacer and this casting is by Hot Wheels. As you can see, it's new for 2025. If I'm not wrong, Cupra just used to be a model of Seat, if I'm not wrong, and then they kind of turned it into a brand altogether. So this is as name suggests, eRacer, an electric car. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Cupra out of its packaging. The first thing you will notice is the paint job. This is very different. Like when different lights hit it, the color looks very different. It has got that kind of blue metallic what is a background to it, or blue metallic base to it. So when it's in the color, you see those flakes, like you can see on this side. See those flakes hitting like bluish tint. It's a very different color. Something nice from Hot Wheels, something new from Hot Wheels. So let's talk about the casting now. As you can see, it's a hatchback, and as the name suggests, it's an electric hatchback. It's a racer based on a hatchback, I guess. Let's start from the front. Up front, you can see certain design changes again for better aerodynamic. This will give you a better angle. It has got detailed headlamps, which is again good. Again, a vent here. I don't know if it's for cooling the electric motors or what. Not sure. You got both the mirrors. You got this black tint, I guess, and Cupra written on it. And as you can see, it has wider wheel arches, so obviously it's modified. Now coming to the driver's side. Looks nice. It's a 4-door or 5-door, as you say. Has got door handles, got the mirror, has got number 1 and Goodyear sponsorship stickers on the side. Again, even here you see the running boards are slightly wider, so the rear wheel arches, suggesting that it's been modified. Shark fin antenna and the huge spoiler here. This is weird. Normally hatchbacks have like spoilers on the top, but I don't know. Again, back you can see a big diffuser here. No exhaust tips because it's an electric car. Wider wheel arches, as you can see. So it's a good racing car, I'd say. Looks like one. Passenger side looks almost identical. No major differences. The interior seems to be done in black, and it only has 2 seats. As you can see, it's something like a roll cage on the back, but no seats. So this is how it looks from the base. So overall, I think it's a good casting. I like the paint. See how it changes color, changes tint, and the light hits it. I like the paint. I like these neon kind of pattern on it, and also it's something different, something European. We don't really see a lot of European cars. I don't know why, but this is something new, and it looks really good. And I hope Hot Wheels does more of these. Even the wheels look good. We have seen these wheels on like many cars from a long time, but here it suits because they did all black rather than doing chrome or white. So it suits it. Would have loved the detail for the tail lamp, but again, can't ask for a lot from Hot Wheels. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.